Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF sees small inflows following $17.4 billion loss. Thomas Musgrave last updated. May 7, 2024 13:53 EDT 1-minute read. Following a 4-month period of consistent outflows, Grayscale Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund ETF has finally witnessed a positive shift. Over the past 2 days, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust GBTC has attracted inflows totaling $66.9 million. This change in tide comes after a major period of decline, during which GBTC saw an average daily outflow of $217 million, amounting to a total of over $17.5 billion since January 11. Turnaround for Grayscale Bitcoin ETF. The initial sign of recovery appeared on May 3 with a $63 million inflow into GBTC, marking the end of the prolonged downward trend. The influx and subsequent inflows resulted in a net positive inflow of $378.8 million over a 7-day period. An additional $3.9 million inflow on May 6 further solidified the positive trend, bringing the total capital influx into GBTC to $66.9 million. Bitcoin ETFs within the U.S. market continue to demonstrate profitability. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust leads the pack, boasting the biggest investment with net inflows reaching $15.5 billion. Key players driving inflows to Bitcoin ETFs. Numerous other Bitcoin exchange-traded funds have shown strong performance, attracting investments and contributing to the overall positive trend within the sector. The block data reveals that among the other top performers are Fidelity Investments, Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund with $8.1 billion in net inflows, Cathie Wood's ARK21 Shares Bitcoin ETF with $2.1 billion, and the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF Trust with $1.7 billion. The strong performance of Bitcoin in the market has undoubtedly contributed to attracting investors to these ETFs, as evidenced by the current cumulative investment flow into the spot Bitcoin ETF market of approximately $11.8 billion. Second delays decision on spot Ether ETFs. In other news, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC has postponed its decision regarding the approval or denial of several applications for spot Ether ETH ETFs. The rulings on applications from industry giants such as BlackRock, Grayscale, and Invesco Galaxy have been pushed back to July, along with applications from other Ether ETF issuers, including Fidelity, Hashdex, Franklin Templeton, and ARK21 Shares. The second has stated that additional time is required to thoroughly evaluate the proposed rule changes and address the issues raised within the applications before reaching a decision. Follow us on Google News.